and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. Government ready to make amendments in recruitment rules to absorb workers in Goa Recruitment Society. Prudence debate attained consensus. Union demands written assurance. After stamp duty, now registration fees for the lessees who have signed the lease deeds equivalent to stamp duty. 4 more leases signed on Monday. Areas more than 5 crore due from groundwater users. Government admits before High Court. Petitioner claims state data not actual. Court seeks state's reply. Virtually PCR cops foils police housebreaking bid. Police trail 2 suspects with a stolen car. Find articles used for house thefts. And Goa bounced back with 142-run victory over Jammu and Kashmir. Salma Devkar and Nikita Marik shine in BCCI Women's League match at Porvorim. And now the news in detail. Government has shown openness to resolve the issue of Goa recruitment and employment employees. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has said that government will relax recruitment rules in Human Resources Corporation. CM Parsekar also said that the union should not create law and order situation. Prudent held a face-to-face debate with the workers' union and MLA Pramod Sawant representing the government. MLA says no question of written assurance in this matter. Government is ready to make a public assurance.
Goa Recruitment and Employment Employees Union is planning a public meeting at Azad Maidan on 9 December. The spat is unresolved for last 7 days. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar held a press briefing and said that government will always give priority to the society workers while recruiting.
Human Resource Corporationचे जे recruitment rules असतात ते सुद्धा बदलपाची सूचना सरकाराकडल्यान तांकां गेली. जी 30 वर्ष एज लिमिट असली that was relaxed by 10 more years आणि 8वी पास क्वालिफिकेशन जे असले that was relaxed to standard 6th. हांव बेठीच कसली आश्वासनां दिवचो ना. जे जावं शकता सरकारा कडेन तेच आमी सांगता. गेलो म्हयनोभर हांव आसा. म्हाका म्हजे कडेन तांकां हाडपाचें जबाबदारी खरी म्हणजे त्या तथाकथीत नेत्याची असली. पूण अशे लॉ अँड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम निर्माण करणाऱ्यो गोष्टी करच्यो न्हय.
On this backdrop, Prudent held a debate with the stakeholders. Union demanded written assurance while MLA Pramod Sawant maintained that government was ready for a public assurance. But union should immediately withdraw their strike. This was Prudent's effort to provide a neutral platform to resolve the contentious issue.
गव्हर्नमेंट जो कितें आसा तेचे रिलॅक्सेशन दी तांकां आनी कितें करीत दॅट वील
टेक एश्युरन्स खरोखर जोपर्यंत इट इज अनलेस एंड अंटील इट इज रिकॉर्डेड इन रायटिंग और रिड्यूस इन अ रायटिंग वी कॅनॉट कॉल इट.
उरलेले 2 ॲडव्हर्टायजमेंट हे फुडल्या येता त्या 7-8 महिन्या भितर येतले. तांकां भरती करून घेवपाचे आसा. परतूय म्हजी तयारी आहा थंय वचून सांगपाची तेंच्यांनी स्ट्रायक रिजॉल्व करचो. बरें की हांव थंय वचून सांगता तेंच्यांनी स्ट्रायक निभोवचो. हाजेर तयारी आसत जाल्यार विशय
आतांच सांगता की त्यांच्यानी म्हाका लेखी दिवचे ना. दोतोरान थंय येवपाची सुद्धा गरज ना. आमीच वचून कॉल ऑफ टेलिफोनिकली आमी तो कॉल ऑफ करता.
With bureau inputs, Mahesh Ghadi with Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Looks like there is no end to fees and taxes by government on mining lease owners. Now lessees who have signed their lease deeds will have to shell out more money to pay registration fees. The registration fee is equivalent to the stamp duty. Government has already issued such a notification. Government had collected nearly 360 crore through stamp duty earlier by renewing 28 mining leases. Meanwhile, Mines Department has signed 4 more lease deeds with the mining companies.
Goa government has issued notification stating that lease owner has to pay for the registration fee which is equivalent to stamp duty. Notification says for registration of every instrument relating to grant of mining lease or renewal of mining lease, registration fees should be equivalent to stamp duty payable on such instrument under the Indian Stamp Act 1899 as in force in the state of Goa. Most of the lease owners are not happy with this notification.
आता आमकां कळोन येता की सरकारान आनी एक नोटिफिकेशन काडला की जे कोणे लीज डीटी सायन केल्या पळय ते लीज डीट तांकां रेजिस्टर करचे पडटले सब रेजिस्ट्रार कडेन आनी ताजी रेजिस्ट्रेशन चार्ज तांच्यांनी केला इक्वल टू स्टाम्प ड्युटी. आतां म्हणजे ऑलरेडी स्टॅम्प ड्युटी खूबच लायिल्ली, आतां ताजे वयर हें रेजिस्ट्रेशन चार्ज लायला आनी ताजे फुडें आनी कितें चार्ज लायतले तें कांयच खबर ना. आनी तें एक सिद्ध करूंक जाय सरकारान की बाबा अमकी तुमची लायबिलिटी, अमकें तुमी फारीक केल्यार तुमकां लीज चलोवंक मेळटलें, नाजाल्यार लोक जे बिझनस सिरियस बिझनसमॅन आसा ते येवचे ना, अशे फालतूर लोक येतले.
State government has collected nearly 360 crores from the stamp duty for renewal of 28 mining leases. On Monday, Mines Directorate has signed 4 more mining lease deeds with mining companies. This includes 2 of Fomento and each one of Seza Goa and Geeta Bala. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.